Hello kids! Welcome to Math 4, Quarter 1, Week 5. I'm Teacher Jessa, your math teacher. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Jessa TV, where learning is fun and exciting. Okay kids, let us start with learning competencies. The first one, read and write numbers up to 1,000,000 in numerals and in words, and determine the place value of a digit in a 6-digit number and vice versa. For our learning objectives, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to first read and write numbers from 1 to 1,000,000 in both numerals and numbers and words. 2. Demonstrate and reinforce the understanding of place value and its application in written numbers. Number 3. Apply the knowledge of reading and writing numbers in various practical situations. Number 4. Familiarize themselves with the concept of a place value and a value of a place or 6-digit number. And number 5. Demonstrate the ability to read and write 6-digit numbers, emphasizing their place values. And number 6, identify the different place value positions and name the digit of a number with the given place value. Okay kids, here are the lessons that we will take for this week. We have the reading and writing numbers from 1 up to 1,000,000 in numerals and in words. We will also tackle the different or determining the place value of a digit in a 6-digit number. And number 3, we will determine also the value of a digit and the digit of a number. Okay, before we start, let us first have a review. So you will write here the words in numerals or in figures. And on the second one, you write the numerals in words. And on the third one, it is answerable by true or false. You need to decide if each sentence is true or false. Okay, today we will focus on reading and writing up to 500,000 in both numerals and words. Let us first have the spelling of each words. We have here hundreds. Can you spell hundreds? Next, thousands. And then ones, and then tens, and then 100,000s. Okay, let us read this sentence. And this sentence or this problem will be used later because we will emphasize here the numerals in the sentence. So, as an archipelago, the Philippines has a total land area of about 115,831 square meters. So, for the work examples, we need to discuss here the steps in reading numbers. Okay, here are the steps in reading and writing numbers. So step 1, we need to write the number words in symbols, starting from left, most period to the right. And step 2, use zeros to fill in any open spots to complete each figure or period if applicable. For step 3, read each group of 3 digits individually, following the rules for reading numbers. For the group of 3 digits, you'll read the hundreds, tens, and then ones place. Step 4. After reading each group of 3 digits, use the appropriate place value word, like thousand, million, and etc., to indicate the magnitude of the group. For step 5, we need to continue reading the rest of the groups, using the same pattern until you read the entire number. And step 6, you write the figures in the place value chart in words. Here are some of the words, and you need to read independently these words. Okay, this time we will have activity 1, and this will be the test time. So the objective of this activity is to evaluate acquired knowledge about reading and writing numbers. So materials needed, of course, this learning activity sheets. So duration is 10 minutes. So we have here the instructions. Read and write the numbers in words. So this 1 to 5, that is 1 to 5. We have read and then write the following number words in symbols. So we have the 6 to 10, and reflection. What did you discover in reading and writing numbers correctly? Please answer it in a clean sheet of paper. For activity 2, the objective is to enrich the learning experience on reading and writing numbers. Of course, you will use again these learning activity sheets, and the duration of this activity is 5 minutes. For the instructions, you need to complete the sentences by writing the missing numeral or words. So please answer this quietly in your learning activity sheets. For the second day, we need to have a review. So complete the table by writing numbers in words or in symbols. So we have here on the first table the symbols, and on the second table are the words. So please answer this in your math notebook. Okay, so today we will learn about how to read and write numbers from 500,001 to 1 million. So it is important for each one of you to know the spelling of each place value. So we have here number words. So we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And we have hundreds, thousand, and 100,000s and million. So let us dig deeper and read and write some numbers correctly. Okay, you'll do this for 10 minutes using your learning activity sheets. And you can do this in a group. Okay, it is test time. I need you to listen to the instruction of the teacher. For the enrichment activity, this can be done individually or by group. This time we now go to determining the place value of a digit in a 6-digit number. Before we start, let's have here a crossword puzzle. And what are you going to do with this? You need to find the different listed words below in the puzzle, and then this might be written horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. So here are the words below. Or at the bottom, we have place value, digit, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Thousands. Okay, this is a place value chart. So we have here 4,762,835, and that is 4,762,835. So what is the place value 5? Ones. How about 3? We have tens, 8 hundreds. We have 2,000s, 6 10,000s, 700,000s, and 4 millions. So commas can be used with a large number to assist the reader. So they are placed in every 3 digits in numbers or 4 more digits. Here we have 427,318. And the digit there is a symbol for a whole number. So the place value is the value of a digit based on its place in a number. And the value is the amount each digit it's worth. So the digit in the hundreds place is 3. So the value of 3 is 300. Okay, explicitation. The Philippines recorded a total of 164,000 tourists in 2021, ranking 144th in the world in absolute terms. Display the given numerals in the problem and let them read and determine the position of each digit. So kindly do this one and of course the work example. So I have here questions based on the activity that you have done. What is the importance of understanding place value, especially in larger numbers? Will you please answer this, kids? So we have here a test time, an activity, and you need to test and understand where is the place value of each number. Of course, you'll use the worksheet, and this will be done within 5 minutes. So the instruction is analyze the underlying digit of the number and put a check mark on the right column of its place value. So we have here the examples, and please do the rest. So we have already finished with the place value, and now we will now determine the value of a digit. Okay, let us first have a mind check. Let us see if you know this value of a digit and assess your prior knowledge on determining the value of a digit. So this will be done for 5 minutes. And please answer the questions to the best of your ability, because this activity will check your knowledge about determining the value of a digit in a number. So, class, today's lesson will focus on understanding the concept of the value of a digit in a number. Okay, how to get the value of a number? We have here an example, 9,744, 9744. So the 4 there has a value of 4. The 4, which is in tens place, has a value of 40. The 7, which is in the hundreds place, has a value of 700. And 9 has a value of 9,000. Please do the rest. So here is an example of a number and a digit and a place value. Okay, or the value of a digit. We have here 45876. So the value of 6, because it is in the ones place is 6, 7 in the tens place is 70, 8 in the hundreds place is 800, 5 in the thousands place is 5,000, and 4 in the hundred thousands place is 4,000. So that is how you get the value of a number. So let us have this work example. You need to do this on a show me board. So to assess learners' understanding in determining the value of a digit within a given number, so please provide what is asked in every item. For our takeaway learnings, how can you apply the skills and the concepts you have learned about reading and writing numbers in your everyday life? Okay, let us have a practice exercise first. What is the digit in the hundreds place of 432,567? And in 235,764, what is the digit in the thousands place? What about in the tens place? So I have here an example of how to get the value of the underlying digit. Please answer this in a clean sheet of paper. So this activity is easy, right? Very good, kids. Now you will have this activity to test or to evaluate the acquired knowledge on this topic. So you need to identify the digit of a given place value of a number. So an example is given here. More examples or activities will be given to you to enhance your skills in determining the place value and value of a given number. Thank you, kids. Hope you have learned a lot from our lesson this week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Jessa TV, where learning is fun and exciting.